Good evening, everyone. I am Mary Caribioke. Today, we will be discussing the socio-emotional development of primary schooler. Learning objective. At the end of this module, you should able to identify the different characteristics of primary school age children in this stage of development. Discuss the different factors that affect the socio-emotional growth of the primary schooler. Introduction. The developmental theorist Erik Erikson formulated 8 stages of man's psychosocial development. Each stage is regarded as a psychosocial crisis, which arise to demand and resolution before the next stage can be achieved. So, according to Erik Erikson, habang daw nagadako ang bata, muagi daw sila sa 8 stage psychosocial crisis, which mean mga major challenges, problem na kailangan nila i-deal habang nagadako sila. Erik Erikson, 4 stages at the age of 6 to 12, maka-experience daw ang bata og industry and inferiority. Industry refers to a child involvement in situation where a long patient work is demanded of them. So, industry daw, which means is, diri daw na stage, we need daw a long patient sa mga bata, kay diri pa daw sila nag-start og sulat, basa, o sa mga other school staff. So, as a teacher or educator, need yun na to ang long patient sa ila, kay di na sila dali makabalo, no? So, tapos makafeel na sila og makafeel na sila good, nakabalo sila sa school, maka-achieve na sila, makafeel sila og industry. Pero pag makafeel daw sila inferiority or di nila ma-master ilang work, dili na mosulod ang inferiority. So, inferiority is the feeling created when the child get a feeling of failure when they cannot finish or master their work. So, sa gingon nako, ang pag di nila ma-master ng work or maglisod sila or makafeel failure sila, inferiority daw. Makafeel daw sila inferiority. Pero, para dili na sila makafeel ang inferiority, we need to encourage them. Kailangan na sila suportahan. So, in the encouragement of parents and caring educators help to build the child's sense of self-esteem, confidence, and ability to interact positively in the world. So, hindi na to sila encourage, sila. At isa pa di ay sa makapil ang bata og inferiority kay kanang isa ka reason na kay ang parents or ang teacher kay di nila gina-acknowledge ang bata sa mga efforts nila, tapos gina-compare po sa parents ang bata sa lain, tapos ginasuportahan or gina-encourage ang bata. So, understanding the self. One self-concept is the knowledge about the self, such a belief regarding personality, traits, physical characteristics, abilities, values, goals, and rules. It also involves the sense of belonging and acceptance, a sense of good, and the sense of being capable of yourself. Understanding the self is about knowing yourself. Unsa imong gusto, unsa imong paniniwala, unsa imong hawd. This also means feeling like you belong, you're a good person, and that you are good, that you can do good things. School year. In the transition from pre-elementary to primary school, children tend to become increasingly self-confident and able to cope well with social interaction. They will not focus on themselves anymore but are aware of needs and desire of others. Fairness and equality become important to them as they learn to care for people who are not part of their family. Characteristics like loyalty and reliability are being considered as well as responsibility and kindness. So, gikan daw sa pre-elementary to primary schooler, ang bata daw kay they more become sure about themselves and making friends. Then they start to making friends. They start to social interaction. They can start thinking about others, not just themselves. They care about being fair and treating everyone equally. They also learn about being loyal, responsible, and being kind.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Giancarlo M. Nikki, and this is my report. What is a friend? Aristotle said, a single soul dwelling in two bodies. Ano siya? And making friends is a crucial but a very important part of a children's social growth as soon as they will tend to show natural inclination to be around other children. Importante juga kayo ang makigamigo para po sa mga bata kaya ron una nila ko sila dili sila ma-introvert kay ano man kanang naanad man sila sa gidakan ba nga makita sila ng natural nila. Children during this stage most likely belong to a peer group. Some will see this as an opportunity to make friends while others remain a bit loner. Antisocial behavior. Some adults may perceive that some children's behavior towards other children as antisocial. When their children poke, pull, hit, or kick other children when they are first introduced, it is fairly normal. Kuan daw, kanang nayuban jud nga makauna-una o kanang maglain. Pero para sa mga bata, normal lang daw siya nga ingana nila mga action nga mag-uban nila magkita kita ay buhay mag-ila-ila sa mga bata murag maoy lang kuan ba friend request ba nga nang anoon ka pero normal lang. Parents and teachers can help children make friends. You can consider this by following. Expose the children to a kid-rich environment like people's park, playground, or something that kid-rich environment. Create a play group in your class and let the children mingle with their classmates. And when your children hit other children, remind them that their behaviors hurt others. Imagine kung kanang nakay makitaan nga dili maayo inigahuman na imagine yung istorya siya nga dili to mao dili to tama ang imong gibuhata dili to pwede sa mga bata dili to sabon na naon ni mga bata jud. Coordinate with the parent and other teachers so that the children will have a greater opportunity to interact with other children. Self-control. Once children reach school age, they begin to take pride in their ability to do things, in their capacity to exert efforts. They like receiving positive feedback from their parents and teachers. Sugaran jud sa ingani nga edad sa school age na jud kay mao pa na nabantayan ako sa kong manghud kanang ug asa siya how di jud nang open nya dako jud yang garbo ba nga how jud ko ana nya ganahan pa jud sila dawat og kanang mga feedback ni mga how daw kanang mo ana ka positive feedback ba nga ganahan jud sila. This become a great opportunity for parents and teachers to encourage positive emotional response from children by acknowledging their mature compassionate behavior. Ano yung pinaka the best nga opportunity para sa parent o teacher nga para maka-encourage positive emotional response by kuan lang kanang makita nimo sila ba kanang murag naa jud sila na nag-exist jud sila ba kita nang ilang mga lihok. Implication to childcare, education, and parenting. Primary school children's social emotional competency should be viewed in the context of the child developmental age. Healthcare providers, teachers, and parents should be able to gain understanding of the child's social emotional strength and weaknesses by observing the child's behavior at home, work collaboratively with the child's parent and healthcare provider to expand one insight on the child's development, provide a supportive setting where the children have opportunity to practice emotion regulation and social skills with peers. Give the children activities where they can practice talking, sharing, and playing cooperatively. By the way, that's our report. Good night, everyone. Thank you.